overweight beast.
This is the classic, he knows this.
Even the dog's crying because he doesn't.
All together.
Oh no, he's actually playing the song, look. Look, look!
Linda.
Down!
Go on, John. Go on, Johnny! Go on, John!
Down! Sit down!
Slow it down, Phil! Slow it down!
Oh,
Down!
Slow it down!
oh dear!
Down! Sit down! Sit down! Oh my God!
Oh no!
Yes! Sit down! Oh no, guys, come on!
Oh dear God!
Johnny, go on!
Come on, John!
Sit down right now, Phil! Don't improve your trousers!
Go on, John! And the car said no! I'm not coming!
Come on!
Practice is not a necessary thing to see it.
He's hooked.
Jordan, pull up your trousers!
He's hooked. You're hooked.
Oh, he don't care.
Got no choice. Go on, John. You ain't out of it yet, mate.
Carol! Carol! Auntie Carol! Carol! Hold on, Tim!
I will.
Oh no, Wayne's at it now.
Oh my God, Dad! Sit down, you're so embarrassing. I do not know.
No, that ain't happening. That ain't happening. Coward.
Thank you, Jordan!
Don't even open the bloody door. Dad, your
Stacey.
belly is showing your face.
Stacey!
Dad! Oh my God!
John, help me!
Dad, sit down!
John, don't sit down. There.
Come on out the way, because I want to see Phil's big finale.
You're in the way of Phil's big finale.
Okay. Sure.
Stop it, you're embarrassing me.
It's funny. It's funny.
No, it's not. You get up here just in case she drives me home.
Jordan!
Go on, the woman's asking you to dance. Be a man, take up the dance. Come on, it's very rude. It's very rude. Accept it. You accept it. Stacey.
No, you can't get on camera! Jordan! I'm gonna go and get him.
Wayne, leave it. He's dancing. Wayne. He's dancing.
Music, sing it.
Well, switch the tune.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Watch the flowers.
Yeah, so I just stood there when you do that thinking, who is that? Oh. Oh God, Wayne!
No,
Come on, Dan! No!
Dad, stop it.
Come on, let's see the dance.
Let's do a cartwheel. Cartwheel.
Don't do it, Colin. I'm gonna cartwheel in the ears.
Do a cartwheel.
Go on, do it, cartwheel.
Cartwheel. Cartwheel. Cartwheel. Cartwheel. Cartwheel. Cartwheel.
could get messy. How'd you go, John?
Hey! Hey! Now your turn. I've done mine.
Oh, why are you going to do mine?
She's gonna take her top off then. I was like, no.
Come on then, Carol.
Get up, Carol.
Go on, Carol.
Come on.
Don't worry about the
No,
consequences.
you'll take it.
Come on.
You're gonna drive me out.
Woo.
No, mate.
Hey? No, not really.
Jordan,
But I'm
you have
basing
your
on the
shot.
shooting.
I haven't done a catwalk since I was 12.
Come on, Jordan, cartwheel.
If
Mine.
Carol can do it, anyone can
Don't
do
let
it.
your tits hit you in the eyes.
Come on.
Straight legs, remember?
Don't hit Carl, man.
Do it, Lex.
Yep, straight legs. Lucy.
Lulu. Lucy. Well, he did better than Carol.
Carl in years. Be back! Be back!
The dancing chef.
Stop it! Do it right now! Oh my god, you're so annoying!
It's funny. He's the dancing chef.
It's a good. It's all about yes, right. Yeah. It's all about having a laugh.
I'll chuck a dog at you!
Where's Wayne gone?
You've done the right thing if you go away from it, Dad. Stop it.
Well, we just tried to
What? Oh, Wayne involved. No, you don't have pity. Owen, run! Run! Run for your life!
Come on!
No! Run, Owen! Run!
Come on!
Jordan! Oh,
You done a cartwheel?
I've got photo proof!
You done a cartwheel?
Yeah!
Can't do one. I'm like, no hope, no hope.
Leah!